Excuse me, ma'am? What you doing there?
I'm building a Kickstarter.
What's it about?
Desserts.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're Nordic inspired.
I like IKEA.
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm making it.
Well, okay then. Bye-bye now.
Bye.
Growing up, I remember the breaks in the day my grandmother used to take. 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m. She had just a little something sweet to eat with her coffee, and we called it a little lunch. In Scandinavia, they use the words like fika and huga to talk about those little pleasures and breaks in our days. But the busyness of modern life, it can leave little space for that kind of connection, quiet, delight. My sister and I began Tiny Spoons 3 years ago to embody that spirit in our lives again. To bake, to share, to make others happy. We had no idea it would resonate so well and the demand would grow too big for our little homes. In response, we began to work on a business plan and establish a brick and mortar space. We finalized it. We found a fabulous location. We got all the ducks in the row. And then hit the roadblock so many new and transitioning businesses do. Funding. When we announced we were closing Tiny Spoons because we could not secure traditional financing, the response was overwhelming. We knew we had loyal and kind customers, but we didn't think our little home baking business had inspired such deep feelings. So here we are, our simple request to the world. We hope after hearing our story you will back our campaign and share with everyone you know. We've set an ambitious goal against conventional advice because honestly, if we're going to do this, we need to do it right, and we don't want to do it without you. Thank you for backing us and helping to make the world a better place.